Do you want to know what it takes to build wealth? Today, we're talking about the basics of investing and checking out the most common types of investments. These investments helped me become financially free and can help you too. Let's get to it. Let's start with the basics. Investing is about putting your money to work to generate returns over time. In the last 2 years, market analysts have been closely observing the financial markets, and their insights are wonderful. The financial space has seen some amazing trends in different asset classes. Now let's explore the most common types of investments for retail investors like you and I. Number 1, stocks. Stocks have been a hot topic among analysts, with many pointing to the success stories of companies showing consistent growth and a competitive edge in their industry. Companies like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, and so on. According to top analysts, despite economic challenges, the S&P 500 has posted an impressive return of over 90% in the past 5 years. That's amazing. The S&P 500 is an index that tracks the performance of the top 500 companies in the United States. Investing in the S&P 500 is like investing in all the top companies in the US. But in one stock, it's easy, and the risk is low. That's why it's attractive to investors. AI tech companies are also booming. With this AI revolution we've been witnessing this year in 2023, this offers a once-in-a-lifetime kind of opportunity to many investors. Companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Microsoft are some AI leaders you might want to check out. So going into 2024, what should we expect? Well, according to a top analyst at Bank of America, we should expect the S&P to hit an all-time high in 2024. Check it out. This also can be a great opportunity for investors to start building wealth. Number 2, real estate. This is a powerhouse. Real estate is super important if you want to build wealth because it tends to go up in value over time, making your investment worth more. For example, in the US, the price of homes increased by 17% from 2020 to 2021. Property values increasing by over 70% in the past 5 years, in some cases even more. That means if you own a house, its value is likely to grow. Plus, if you rent out your property, you can make passive money. In 2020, rental income in the US added up to a huge $512 billion. So, owning property can bring in a steady flow of cash. Another great thing is that you can use loans to buy property, which means you're investing with less of your own money. This can boost your returns and help you build wealth faster. In simple terms, real estate is like a key player in the game of getting rich and building wealth. So what's to come in 2024 when it comes to investing in real estate? Despite the concerns the real estate market has had this year, like interest rates, inflation, and supply, according to the big players in the real estate space, they are expecting prices to be positive for investors and homeowners in 2024. Take a look. Bottom line, real estate is a key long-term investment. That's where the real wealth is. There's more, but before we move on, if you like the video, hit the like button and leave a comment. Number 3, precious metals. Investing in precious metals such as gold and silver is another tool in the toolbox to help grow and protect your money. The returns aren't quite as good as stocks and real estate, but the risk in investing in precious metals are almost non-existent, and they've been around longer than most assets. Looking at the numbers, gold has shown it can give an average of about 8% more money back each year for the past 20 years. That's better than many other ways people invest. When things get tough in the economy or the stock market, precious metals usually stay strong, and more people want them. This makes them a good choice to balance and protect your money. So adding some precious metals to your investment plan can make your money safer and more stable over time. There's another asset that everyone should invest in, but many people don't talk about. This asset is yourself. We should all invest in ourselves. Invest and learn a valuable skill, a skill that can earn you some money so that you can start a business with that money. I look at a skill and a business like a long-term investment, because it may take a few months or years for your business to make any solid returns, but when it does, it'll be worth it. Personally, I've invested in all of the assets mentioned in this video, and for me, the most rewarding investment of them all was the investment in myself. Without investing in myself, I wouldn't have gained the knowledge I need to know to invest my money the right way. And without a skill or a business I can make money from, I wouldn't have any to invest. So I had to invest in myself to develop the right mindset and skills I needed first. And with more knowledge and the tools I needed to assist me, I'm now on my way to secure the financial future I dreamed of. If you want to learn exactly how I did it, I have a free ebook with the strategies and programs I use to get me to financial success. Click the link in the description. So, how can we benefit from all this data? Well, knowledge is power. Understanding market trends, analyzing historical performance, and staying informed about economic indicators are crucial steps in making informed investment decisions aligned with your financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, consider what analysts are saying. Diversify your portfolio, stay informed, and be patient. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. So gear up, do your due diligence, and let your money work for you. Remember, these tips are general guidelines, and it's essential to tailor your investment strategy to your individual financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. Always consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making significant investing decisions. If you liked the video and want to learn more about investing, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.